I have the M4 iPad Pro, and I'll be showing you how to remove the Face ID from your iPad. So go to settings, and on the settings page, scroll down on the left hand side panel until you tap on Face ID and passcode. Then it's going to ask for your iPad's current passcode, which you need to enter to be allowed into the Face ID and passcode settings. Now once you get here, you want to find reset Face ID. So just tap on that, and that's going to remove Face ID. Simple as that. Face ID has now been deleted from this particular iPad. So now when you try to log in, you'll notice even if I show it my face, it doesn't unlock. Okay, that's because I've removed Face ID, and now I have to use my passcode. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.